This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Alora Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, TV antenna, LP detector, awning, air conditioning, refrigerator, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450-HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.